everybody, this is BB Venture. Today I'm going to train you on how to bend your wire on your satellite fascinator. You need your wire, your net, the fascinator cup, needle and thread. You can use fishing line, your comb or Alice band, feather, your sellotape, gum, and your wax candle to gum the Alice band. Then your cremolin to design or whatsoever you need to design it. This is the wire. I measure 59. Then I join the mouth here together. The next thing you do is to take your net. You see, I've put my net. The next thing for me is to sew it round. You can see I sew it around, draw the wire together, then tie the net. You can use it to form something like this. Then you can bend your wire here. You bend it here to give you a design. You can stretch it out. You stretch it out, then create another design. And draw your wire. You can see it. That is how to bend your wire. Then put all the nets together. And make sure the net is so tight on it. You can see the bending. Look at the shape. We have bent our satellite fascinator to have cup. Then take your artificial cup or whatsoever you want to use to do the base. You tie it, then you design it. And let's sew our cup. Then take your cremolin that you are going to use to design it. Just give it a simple design. This is your design. see it. Please look at this feather. It comes like this, but I'm going to shapen it for you. You remove it one after the other. Take your scissors. Turn it again. You can see what this feather gives us. Then you do the second one like that, because I'm going to place it on the fascinator that we have made. I've placed the feather on it. Then you take your, this is what we call wax candle. You can use this one to gum your Alice band after the decoration. Then you can use this same gum wax candle to gum your feather on your design. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share.